Hey guys, okay, this is very important. I want you guys to know that I'm not going to be able to make a video for at least 6 weeks. This is because we are moving, so as you can see, there are no more cute little cat posters on my wall. There's just like a couple things that still need to be taken down, like my little horsey, so it's crazy, I have no more cat posters. Except my little calendar. Everything is changing. And I got all this stuff because we have to be like staying in a relative's house for 6 weeks. Because unfortunately I have to finish school before we can move. But yeah, we're moving to a different city. I just want you guys to know that because I won't have internet or like strong enough internet in my relative's house, or you know, they might not want me to be like uploading videos there, so I'm not gonna be around, but please stay subscribed because I'm still gonna be YouTubing. Thank you guys so much for bearing with me, and I will see you at the end of this year-ish. Thanks for watching this really not video, but this is an update and it's very important, so thank you for watching. Yes, okay, bye!